So hello. I'm not only CTO at Fluffy Unlimited, but also a PhD student and a researcher at the University of Latvia. And yes, today I will tell you about what I'm doing at Fluffy and what our vision and how it was till now for us. So I would say that serious work on Fluffy started with this project. In this project, the goal was to create a sheep wool treatment technology that would allow to use wool in filter materials. And it was quite a complicated project because it was in the middle of a pandemic. And in this project, there was short time for technology development. But what made it even more complicated was that while all world was dealing just with COVID pandemic, in our project there was one more. It was pandemic of pregnancies. In our team, everyone started quite fast to get pregnant, and we started to think that it's now spreading to there too. But we get through it. It's created some jokes about our project, but it's okay. Yeah. So we ended this project by creating technology that allows not only to use these this wool in filters, but also make them reusable, so we can use them many times. And in this project, we saw that there's a lot of leftovers still from the wool, and it was not good enough for us. So we started to think how to use them. We also heard about from farmers about feather problem, that there are quite large amount of it, and it cost a lot to dispose them. So what was in common to those two materials? It is their composition. They both consist from keratin that is widely used in cosmetics. And we started development of keratin extraction method, because doing some research we saw that there's a lot of different issues with currently in the market, those methods how to extract keratin, and they were quite not environmentally friendly. So we started to work, and we get good results quite fast. We achieved 70% extraction yield, and in lower temperatures that made this project, this method even less expensive. So with this idea, we participated in several accelerator programs, business incubators, and hackathons. But the best program, I would say, was Prototype for us, because we can develop this method, do the market research, but it's quite hard to talk with your potential clients and move forward if you don't know if your keratin is actually good. So this program allowed us to get some initial biological characterization of keratin, and to talk better with our potential clients. The collaboration with those biologists was pretty easy because we knew each other already, and we work in buildings next to. But this was not the only thing that came out of this collaboration. Knowing that keratin market can't consume all this keratin, we started to think what to do next with it, and we submitted a project for keratin use in scaffolds for space needs in cell agriculture. This project is not quite accepted yet, but we are in negotiation with ESA. And this basically was the story how we came up with this ridiculous business model, but we are working on it, and we are trying to use everything that comes into the process and don't leave any waste behind us. Thank you.